Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to use the Task Manager chart summary view. So if you right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager, you'll see your categories here, processes, performance, app history, startup apps, users details, services, and so on. So if you go to the performance section here, you'll see your performance statistics for your CPU, memory, hard drives if you have more than one, and then Ethernet. So let's say you wanted to view your Ethernet statistics, but you didn't want to have all this in the way. You just wanted to kind of have this by itself. You could double click on it, and that'll kind of give it its own standalone window here. And then you could kind of resize it, move it wherever you want. And then if you right click on it, you could close out of it. And you could also change the views here if you want to pick something else like CPU. And then depending on what view you're in or what performance category, you could right click, show kernel times if you want. You could also change graph to logical processors. Let's go back to network, for example. You could right click here, view the network details, and so on. But mainly it's just a good thing to use if you want to have a window for monitoring a specific piece of hardware. That way you don't have to have everything taken up your screen. You could just kind of shrink it down a bit and stick it in the corner. And then when you're done, you could just double click it to bring it back. All right, so once again, just double click on any chart you want. You could be here first, and then you have some right click options depending on what category you're in. And then you could also right click and change the type as well. See, some of them don't have additional categories like the CPU had, for example. Just like that. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.